You want to change your Play Store currency, but it's not updating? Don't worry, this video will explain exactly why it happens. Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you the real reason why your Play Store currency is not changing. But before we start, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel Sonic Tag for more helpful tag tutorials. First, let me show you something important. This is your payment profile section where your country is displayed. Your Play Store currency is directly linked to this payment profile. That means country is changed, your currency will not change either. So the first step is to change your country. Now, if you are facing issues while changing your country or payment profile, I have already made detailed video on those topics. You can check them out on my channel. Also, one more important point, if you have recently changed your country and 90 days have not passed yet, you may still face this issue. This is a common reason why currency does not update. So these are the main reason why your Play Store currency is not changing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and stay connected with Sonic Tag for more useful tag tutorials. Thanks for watching.